Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 2021 in Practice Chapter 4 Advanced Project 427. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete similar project Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses accounting, math, stat, so finance, accounting. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is Excel 2021 in Practice Chapter 4 Advanced Project 4 to 7. We move to the main project steps. So total step is 9. We move to the question number 1. Open the Place Sale Starter files. If the workbook, open the protected view, click enable editing button so you can modify. The file will be renamed automatically, includes your name, change the project file name, directed to do so by your instructor and save it. So select the starter files and go to the downloads, open the Excel files. So click the enable editing and next we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is apply the conditional formatting with the formula. Select the cell E5 to E26 on the listening worksheet. So select the range E5 to E26, paste the range, press enter on the listening worksheet. So select the listening worksheet, select the cell E5 to E26 and next part B is build a conditional formatting formula to display the address cells in light 10 from a frame construction. The formula is equal to K5 frame and light 10 third column in the color palette. So next go to the home tabs and go to the style groups and click the conditional formatting, click the new rule and next conditional formatting formula display the address cell in the light 10 for a frame construction. The formula is equal to K5 equal to 5 and light 10 is the third column in the color palette. Click the use the formula and next light 10 in the third column format and next click the fill color light 10 third column, click OK. Fill color and click OK and again OK. So question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is pivot field in the pivot table and complete the formatting. Select the pivot table sheet, deselect the city field in the pivot tables and show the agent field in the row area and show the sale price field to value area and format the first occurrence sale field is the custom name is total sale and currency with the 0 decimal places and next format the second occurrence for the sales average sale and choose the average calculation and use the currency with the zero decimal places. Add the light gray pivot cell at 15 and apply the border cell A3 to C9. So select the pivot table on the worksheet, and deselect the city in the pivot table field. So deselect the city, city in the pivot table field name. And next part 3 is show the agent ID field to the row area. So agent ID field to the row area, move and drag to the row area, ID field to the row area. And next part D is show the sale price field to the value area. Sale price so select the sale price, move and drag to the value area, and move and drag to the value area. Show the sale price field to value area. And next format the first occurrence sale price field. Custom name is total sales and currency with the zero decimal places. So select the sale price, and click the value field settings. Open the value field setting dialog box. And next format the first occurrence of the sales price and custom name total sales currency with the zero decimal places. So total sales accounting number format and currency with the zero decimal places, and click OK and again OK. And next format the second occurrence of sale price field. Field name is average sale. Choose the average calculation currency with the zero decimal places. So select the sale price, and select the value field setting dialog box. And next format the second occurrence sale price and select the average sale, average calculations, total sale and currency with the zero decimal places. And next sale price field name is average sales, and choose the average calculations, select the average calculations and currency with the zero decimal places. See with the zero decimal places, click OK and again OK. So next apply the light gray pivot style dot 15. Apply the all border to cell A3 to C9. So apply the light gray pivot style dot 15. Go to the design tabs and next light gray pivot style dot 15. Light gray pivot style dot 15. Gray pivot style dot 15. Click OK. And gray pivot style dot 15. And next apply the all border to cell A3 to C9. So copy the range and next go to the Excel worksheet, paste the range, press enter and apply the all borders. So go to the home tabs and go to the font groups and click the all border, click OK. So apply the all border. So question number 3 is complete. So next we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is add the calculated field to a table and select the table worksheets. Select the table worksheet and next type the days in cell O4 and press enter. So select the O4, select the cell O4 and press enter. And next in cell O5 build in formula to display the number of days on the market. Define the logical test. Calculate if the sale date greater than the listed the value if true in the sale date minus and from the value if false argument. Press space bar. So for the value, press spacebar once in the entry box function argument dialog box. Display the space when no sales date in availables. So select the cell O5, O5. So 3 and press enter. So question number 4 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete seminar project, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So I have done the assignments. Upload and save your project files, submit for grading. So Excel 2021 in practice chapter 4, advanced project 4 to 7. Click file and click save as and click browse. Click save and click the Excel files. So assignment title is Excel 2021 in practice chapter 4, advanced project 4 to 7. Upload my files. Click open and just submit the files. So you can see the current score is 93% in Excel 2021 in practice chapter 4, advanced project 4 to 7. So you can see the current score is 93%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete similar project, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.